Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Brandon. I'm a freelance portrait photographer based out of New York. And in today's video, I'll be covering how light changes everything. As you may have seen throughout my work, light is a part of everything I shoot. Neon signs, sparklers, or an infinity room filled with endless bokeh. I love it all, but natural light can definitely be super unpredictable depending on the weather or the time of day. Especially if you are shooting on a smartphone, which I know a lot of us do. Direct light can lead us to harsh lines, sunset offers too much backlight, and low light can serve us with unwanted grain. And that is why in today's video, we are going to be experimenting and playing with the ProPhoto C1 Plus. Absolutely perfect for shooting on the go. This small light weighs barely anything. Trigger it with a click of this button right here, or from your DSLR camera with the help of a ProPhoto Connect, and even from your iPhone with the ProPhoto Camera app. Now that we've covered the basics on how to exactly fire this, within the app you can choose between natural or dramatic high fashion lighting, experiment with continuous light, and even play with light shaping tools like their domes, grids, and gels, which are all magnetic and stackable. So now that we have my iPhone and my DSLR camera, let's get to shooting. Okay, so we put Kaylee in this cream outfit to complement the yellow we have going on. So we have this yellow backdrop and these fake yellow flowers. I have the ProPhoto C1 Plus in hand, and we're gonna take some dramatic portraits right here. Okay, so can you hold these and stand in front of this little backdrop? Okay. Have them kind of like up to you to the side, yeah. Hold it there. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, hold that. Ooh, nice. I really like the dramatic feel right now. Cool, so I set the C1 Plus up on a tripod at a lower angle, so I'm kind of just hands-free right now. Yeah, loving that. There. Awesome. We're gonna try on one of the yellow gels, so these are all magnetic, so we're just gonna pop that on there and then put our little dome on top of that. Oh my gosh, love that stay. Let me switch to portrait. It's almost because the flash is like shooting through the flowers.
Yeah.
That one's so good.
This looks like cover art.
So now that we got a ton of shots with the iPhone, we are going to leave the continuous light on the C1 Plus with the yellow gel, but take some shots on the DSLR. And I have the Nikon Z7 with my ProPhoto Connect on auto. Just like handheld. Yeah, if you kind of hold that in front of the light, it will cast a nice shadow. Right there. Love that. Yeah, even with this, I can kind of already see what it's going to look like with the continuous light. So Kaylee changed into her next outfit and we're at the next location. Because Kaylee's going inside of here, the light on her face is kind of patchy, so this will even it out. So we're holding the light on this side. Ooh, that looks really nice. So now that we feel pretty confident with the lighting and where it was being placed, we're going to switch up the temperature and make it kind of like a warmer glow. Ooh, I like that a lot. Yeah, hold that. Yeah, you can kind of tell that the overcast weather is making her skin a little more blue, but with the warmer temperature setting, we're making it a little more golden. So we switched on over to my DSLR for a few more photos, and we're going to change the temperature and the power through the app. Hold those out to me. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, I love that. Can we do some like kind of setting? Fire so fast. Cool. So me and Kaylee moved to a different location. It's a little bit darker. We're dealing with some wind. And for this shot, we're going to put the C1 Plus in this book and use it to light Kaylee's face. So I'm going to bring it down between natural and dramatic lighting. Bring the book up. Yeah. So we just moved the trigger to continuous light. So we're gonna go with a little warmer temperature. Alright, and we're back. I hope you guys enjoyed all the photos, both iPhone and DSLR, from the different shoot locations and concepts we captured today. I personally enjoyed just how easy it was to capture a professional image straight away with my iPhone and the C1 Plus in auto mode, just by pushing this white button right here. But again, a huge thank you to Profoto for sponsoring this video. All the images you saw me shoot throughout this video will be posted to my Instagram, which is @BrandonWoelfel. So feel free to keep up with me there, but this definitely won't be the last time you see me using this product, and I'll make sure to link everything down below that I used throughout this video. But yeah, give it a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!